So you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, California? In this video, we're going to explore another fabulous neighborhood, and that neighborhood is called Silver Lake. And as usual, I'm going to take you around the neighborhood, show you different homes in different price points so you can best decide what fits into your budget. So let's get started. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living here in Los Angeles, California, make sure to subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications so you can always be the first one to learn about the current market here in Los Angeles, California. I'm Jonna and I'm here with the Living in Los Angeles, California team, and we get calls, texts and emails almost every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Los Angeles, California. And we love it. So whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Los Angeles, California. So the home we're about to walk into right now is listed for $1.3 million. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,400 square feet of living space, and the lot is 4,100 square feet. The home is super cute, bungalow style home with a separate studio in the back. And also the backyard is really cute, very welcoming for entertaining guests. And besides that, the home has been upgraded, modernized just the way it should. You're very close to Silver Lake Boulevard, one of the main boulevards here in Silver Lake. You are walking distance to some casual eateries. I saw a Mexican restaurant. I also saw a Target. The only downside here is that the property is located very close to the freeway, and you can definitely hear some noise and quite a bit of traffic just coming through the streets here on a regular weekday. However, when I was here on the weekend, it was actually pretty quiet. But let's head inside and let's see what this home has to offer. So the home we're about to walk into right now is listed for $1.6 million. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,800 square feet of living space, and the home was built in 2021. So the home we're about to walk into right now is listed for 1.8 million. It's 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2,400 square feet of living space. The home is in 3 levels. It is practically brand new construction. It was built in 2023. This is what we call urban living in the city. There's no backyard or garden to keep up. Instead, you have a beautiful rooftop terrace with views of the entire city, downtown LA, Silver Lake, and Silver Lake Reservoir. But let's head inside and let's see for ourselves what this home has to offer. And here is some general information about Silver Lake. Silver Lake is an east side neighborhood that fully embraces the hipster lifestyle. Here you find funky street blocks with street art, artisanal coffee shops, vegan cafes, creative Asian eateries, and also indie music venues, trendy bars, boutiques, and vintage stores. Population, close to 30,000. Average age, 39. Average household income, 116,000. Median home sold price, 1.3 million. Let's talk about schools and school ratings. All schools here in Silver Lake are within the LA Unified School District, and all ratings are according to gradeschools.org. Ivanhoe Elementary School, grades K through 5, rating 8 out of 10. Thomas Starr King Middle School, grades 6 through 8, rating 6 out of 10. John Marshall Senior High School, grades 9 through 12, rating 8 out of 10. Things to do here in Silver Lake. Definitely the Silver Lake Reservoir. The area around the reservoir is known for its scenic beauty with water views, surrounding hills, and the Los Angeles skyline. It's a very popular place for people, not only people who live here in Silver Lake, but people from all over LA to come here to unwind, get some nature in here in the middle of the city. There's also a well-maintained path or trail around the reservoir. It's about 2.2 miles long, and you'll see people or families jogging or walking here on a daily basis. You'll also find people walking their dogs, having a picnic, bird watching, or taking photos of the scenic views. And throughout the year, the area hosts community events and activities such as fitness classes, art installations, and local festivals. Close by the Silver Lake Reservoir is where you find the Silver Lake Meadow, a green grassy area great for picnics, playing with your kids, or just hanging out and lounging in the sun. And right next to the reservoir is where you find the Silver Lake Dog Park. Here, dogs can run free without a leash. The park is fenced off, and the park is also divided into two sections. One section for smaller dogs and another section for bigger dogs, so all dogs can play safely. Silver Lake Boulevard also has a nice stretch of a few boutiques, restaurants, coffee shops, Pilates studios, and other businesses. The surrounding neighborhood of Silver Lake is known for its eclectic cafes, boutiques, vintage stores, eateries, especially on the stretch between Santa Monica Boulevard and Alvarado Street. Let's talk about restaurants and where to eat. Here are 10 of the most popular places here in Silver Lake. Night and Market Song, Thai street food, and natural wines in a vibrant atmosphere. Bowery Bungalow, serving Middle Eastern and North African dishes, including vegan dishes, and they also have outdoor seating. Pine and Crane, serving authentic Taiwanese dishes in a modern, comfortable setting. Alimento, Italian bistro with an extensive wine list, intimate setting, and outdoor seating. Forage, small family-owned eatery, serving farm to table. The menu is seasonal and all ingredients are locally sourced. L&E Oyster Bar, serving fresh oysters shipped in daily, and also in a casual and welcoming atmosphere. Pizza Palace, a sports bar, serving Italian dishes with an Indian fusion twist. Unique and delicious, definitely a must-try when you are in Silver Lake. The Ruby Fruit, serving brunch, lunch, happy hour, dinner, and they also have live music and karaoke. Silver Lake Ramen, very popular casual place, famous for the rich and flavorful ramen bowls, some of the best in LA. Blair's Restaurant, cozy neighborhood spot serving new American dishes in a nice and comfortable atmosphere. Let's talk location. How centrally located is Silver Lake? Hollywood, 10 minutes. LAX, Los Angeles International Airport, 25 minutes. Burbank Airport, 15 minutes. Downtown LA, 10 minutes. Santa Monica Beaches, 25 minutes. So why Silver Lake? Silver Lake has ranked one of the trendiest and most sought after neighborhoods here in LA for years. Reason being, Silver Lake is diverse, it's eclectic, and above all, authentic. And according to people who live here in Silver Lake, it is simply LA living at its best. Must be the incredible hilltop views, the independent boutique shopping, the eclectic dining, the art scene, and the laid-back atmosphere. And until next time, hope to see you, or even better, take you around town.